Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And when I wanted to breathe new life into my clothing, blankets, furniture that had pills and made them look dingy and old, I used this fabric shaver from POPCHOSE. This little guy is lightweight, but it does such a good job. Now, with other fabric shavers that I've had in the past, they did not handle the heavier fabrics like this wool blanket. They would just get gummed up and they would clog. But this thing is a total champ and it ate up all the lint balls really well. Now, I noticed that I might have to put the shaver kind of like directly on the ball itself if it was a little bit larger to completely get rid of it. But in general, it handled all of them very well. This is so great even for things like this cashmere blanket. It doesn't have very many pills on it, but you can see that it makes it just look so much fresher and with a better feel to it by using it all over the surface. I'm really impressed by how well this works. I think you're going to love it too, and that's my point of view.